Culture Gee, let's learn Irish. Is Misha Arge, agus topic na seachtain inniu, and see Laethúil, daily life. Agus showid na Focail agus na Frásaí. Breakfast, Bricfeasta, Childminder, Feighlí linbh, Crèche, Naíolann. Dinner, Dinnéar. Evening, Tráthnóna. Get up, Éirigh. Go, Che. Journey or a trip, Turas. Lunch, Loan. Meal, Béile. Midday, Meánlae. Morning, Maidin. Night, Oíche. Pastimes or hobbies, aimsire. Routine, Gnáthamh. Shopping, Siopadóireacht. Sleep, Codladh. Wake up, Dúisigh, no Múscail. Work, Obair. I put my makeup on, Cuirim chuid smideadh. To brush my teeth, Maidin scubu. To have a meal, Béile ghlachu. I usually go swimming. De Crèche now. I try my best. Naíolann. I wake up and get up at 7:30 in the morning. Múscail agus Éirigh linbh seachtar Maidin. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Cad íonn tú den Bricfeasta de Crèche? There's a long trip to work. Bíonn Turas fada an chun na hibre. I often have lunch after 1 p.m. Is Caitheamh lón ghlachu tar éis a hen chug. Do you like your work? And that nín d'obair leat. What I do is share the Gnáthamh na punk. I try to get at least 7 hours of sleep. Janam Éirigh seach nuair a Codladh a Laethúil. Biggie parcha harja. Join the online Irish community at letslearnirish.com.